Welcome to another session of Microsoft Excel. We have been learning about the different copy and pasting features in Microsoft Excel. And as I was saying that in the last session, that the paste features in Microsoft Excel are a bit different than the features that we see normally in Word and PowerPoint. So right now, we will be learning about two other paste features. One, pasting a link, and second, pasting special. So let's begin our session for the day. We will start with paste a link and then we will go to paste special. So you as a user can add links to another file or web page and also can add links in specific chart elements as well. Now, why do we need to add links or web page links in the Excel page is something that you might ask. For example, let's say you are showing an overview of an organization which is looking after your sales, right? Or which is looking after some sort of a work for you. Now, what you would want to do is for reference to your target audience, you might want to copy that page's web page link in the data sheet because you think if you can click onto that link, you will directly go to that company's web page. The reason why we paste a web page link in the Microsoft Excel is so that in case I want to refer, okay, where is this data taken from? For example, if you are a researcher and you have downloaded a set of open source data that was available, right? Or let's say you have downloaded the population of a city for your survey purpose. You might also want them to see from where the data have you taken, the source of the data, right? So it is always uh, required to put that link. Now, when you're presenting your data, that means you do not want to go to that web page and then search for the web page that and then land up in that exact place. No, what you would want to do is you would want to land up in you would want to click that link in the Excel itself and want to you know go to that web page directly instead opening another page and then searching for the web page because that takes a lot of time. So to save your time, you can just post the link in Microsoft Excel itself. So let's see how do we post a link in Microsoft Excel. So we go back and we will go to this page. Yeah. Now let's say I want to, which is the one page that we visit often when we are, when we want to do some reference work, support.microsoft.com. So if I want to copy paste that, which I've already copied by the way, so I'll do Control V. And you see my web page link has already got pasted here, right? And if I click onto this, you can see support.microsoft.com training click wants to follow. Now the thing is, it is this easy to copy the link because for example, let's click here and you see because I've already pasted this. So one is you can match the destination. If you match the destination, then it's like a normal link, normal words that has come. So you would not want that, right? You would want it is to have the link something like this, where if you click, you end up in this page. So that is why it is very, very important for you to make sure that you right click onto it and you'll get some option called the keep source formatting. Keep source formatting. This is the option with a paint brush on it. You will see the paste option with a paint brush on it. You paste this and you will be able to see the link itself from here. And if you click onto if you just hover around the link itself, you will be able to see what the link is all about, right? So this is very, very important. Also, one more thing, it saves time for you, most importantly, because you do not have to open the web the operating software that you're using and be it Bing or Edge and then search for that specific web page, then land up in that web page. No, this saves a lot of your time and effort, by the way, when you're searching for something like this, right? When you're copy pasting the link, and you can just copy paste the exact link of that page, not the home page or any other pages. Just the exact link you can copy and you will land up there. So that saves a lot of time for everybody if they want to directly reference it to the home page or to the main page from where the data source is, or from where the information has been taken. If you also see, the clipboard has a paste option. Yeah, so you see this clipboard kind of thing with sheet icon. If you click under this also, you would see, because you've copied a link, you're getting this page, match destination formatting or keep source formatting. Make sure you're not using match destination formatting when you're copy pasting your link. You will always use keep source formatting, not match destination formatting. If you paste it under match destination formatting, you won't be able to access the link, which means that you again have to go back to the web page and open the link separately. No, that should not be the case. So make sure you're always using keep source formatting, because it's a link. You would want to see it as a link, right? You can also shorten the link, making sure that you're not missing out on any words and all. You can shorten the link and copy paste it as well. So it's very, very important whenever you're pasting a link, use keep source formatting, right? Not the matching destination part. Then the next thing that we will learn is paste special. User can use paste special to copy and paste content and format the text when pasted in the cell. What is paste special? It is as special as it sounds, by the way. You can actually copy paste content and format the text when pasted in the cell. So, you are copy pasting the content, right? Now, most of the cells have formatting as well, and you would want that to be copy pasted in that cell itself. So, how do you use it? You do paste special. So, let's see how to use paste special. So, we'll go back and we go back to Microsoft Excel document. Now, let's see. I will create something very similar to what is already existing in this page. For example, let me do some formatting in the cells. So I'm going to be adding some colors. I'll actually use cell styles. I'll make it bold. And right. All of these cells will also have some colors. Now that this has done, I will also make sure that all of them are approved. Yeah. So this has been done. What I'm going to do is I'm going to copy paste it. So let's say I want to copy paste this column. I can copy it. Let's say I want to select here. I can do paste special, and I can do with the value and source formatting. Again, let me do this. Let's say I want to copy this. Control C, you can do. You can select here, do a right click, and you see paste special, right? And there you see paste values with value and source formatting. Click onto this and you will be able to paste it with the value and source formatting. Right? So my whole color and everything it has come. So always use paste special. Now, if you are using paste special, you see there is so many things that are there. There is a normal pasting. There is formula pasting. There's formulas and number formatting. There is keep source formatting, which we learned. There's transposed. There is keep source column width, and there is no borders as well. Then there is paste values. If you just want to paste the numbers or the values that are there, value and number formatting, value and source formatting. So number formatting is, let's say you have formatted the formulas. You have certain formulas that are applied. Then, and there is formatting of the cells also, then all of them gets pasted together. When it comes to value and source formatting is what exactly that we did. That the moment we select this to copy, for example, we want to copy this and let's say I want to paste it here. I go to paste special and I check this value and source formatting and see I've pasted the exact same thing. So this is how this works. Paste special works. You also have other paste options, for example, formatting, link, picture, linked picture. So you can actually paste a lot of things with the paste feature in Microsoft Excel, specifically when it comes to paste special. Making sure that your formatting, cell formatting is also pasted in those new cells that you have, inserted the data in, copied the data in. Also, there is a whole, the document looks uniform, right? And you do not have to manually change things because you have pasted the data from somewhere to somewhere and again incorporate those changes that you have incorporated there. No, you can, with the same formatting, same formulas, you are able to use paste special. If you want to know more about paste special, do visit support.microsoft.com and you will be able to learn more about the paste special in the document itself. You will also be able to learn the different features of paste that is there in Microsoft Excel.